Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. I hope you have revised everything that you have learnt in previous lesson. You can always watch the lesson again and revise again. Now let's begin with our today's lesson. Now let's learn to say whose. We have already learned that. Let's learn it again. In English, we ask and say whose, and in Urdu it is kiska. Whose, kiska. Then in English we say your or yours, and in Urdu it is aapka. Your or yours in English, and in Urdu it is aapka. I hope you do remember how to say you in Urdu. In English we say you, and in Urdu it is aap. So in English it is your or yours, and in Urdu it is aapka. Let's repeat one more time. In English we say whose, and in Urdu it is kiska. Kiska. Then in English we say your or yours, and in Urdu it is aapka. Aapka. Repeat and practice, alright? Okay, now we say tooth in English, and in Urdu it is dant. Dant. Then we say teeth in English, and in Urdu it is again dant. I hope you do remember that the singular and plural mean one thing, and more than one things are sometimes said the same way in Urdu. It is the same case with this word tooth. In English it is tooth, and in Urdu dant. Then in English it is teeth, and in Urdu dant. Alright, and then we say loose tooth, right? When we have a loose tooth. And in Urdu we say dant hil raha hai. Dant hil raha hai. Loose tooth, dant hil raha hai. Loose tooth, dant hil raha hai. Dant hil raha hai. Let's repeat all of these words one more time. So in English we say tooth, and in Urdu it is dant. Then in English we say teeth, and in Urdu dant. Then we say loose tooth, and in Urdu it is dant hil raha hai. Dant hil raha hai. Dant hil raha hai. Repeat and practice, alright? Okay, so we ask a question and we say, is it yours? Is it yours? And in Urdu it is, क्या ये आपका है? क्या ये आपका है? Remember, yours in Urdu is आपका. So in English we ask and say, is it yours? And in Urdu it is, क्या ये आपका है? क्या ये आपका है? So the answer, if the answer is yes, then you say, yes, it's mine, right? And in Urdu it is जी, ये मेरा है. जी, ये मेरा है. And if it's not yours, then you say, no, it's not mine. And in Urdu it is, नहीं, ये मेरा नहीं है. नहीं, ये मेरा नहीं है. Let's repeat all these sentences one more time. In English we ask and say, is it yours? And in Urdu it is, क्या ये आपका है? क्या ये आपका है? Then we answer, and if the answer is in yes, then we say, yes, it's mine. And in Urdu it is जी, ये मेरा है. जी ये मेरा है. Or if the answer is in no, then you say no, it's not mine. And in Urdu it is नहीं, ये मेरा नहीं है. नहीं, ये मेरा नहीं है. Repeat and practice, okay? Alright, now we say sun. I hope you do remember from your previous lesson the word sun. In English we say sun, and in Urdu it is Suraj. Sun, Suraj. Then we say it is a sun or this is a sun. And this sentence in Urdu is ये सूरज है. ये सूरज है और ये एक सूरज है. So in English we say sun. In Urdu it is Suraj. Then we say this is a sun, or we say it is the sun. And in Urdu it is ये सूरज है और ये एक सूरज है. Alright, then we say moon. In English, moon. And in Urdu it is चांद. चांद. Moon, चांद. Then we say this is a moon or it is a moon. And in Urdu it is ये चांद है और ये एक चांद है. This is a moon. ये चांद है. So in English we say moon and in Urdu it is चांद. Then we say this is a moon and in Urdu it is ये चांद है. Repeat and remember, alright? Okay, so here this is the end of our today's lesson. Do watch the video and do revise everything that you have learned, okay? Do watch your previous lessons as well to just recall and revise everything learned. I will see you with next lesson, inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.